So the question is asking, is y both greater than 0 and less than 1? Another way of asking that is y a positive fraction? Sometimes it's easier to think of it that way than to have the inequality, because then you can think in terms more abstractly in terms of number properties. So statement 1, y squared is less than y. The only time squaring a number makes it smaller than the number itself is when that number itself is a positive fraction. No other numbers do this. Negative numbers become greater when you square them because they go from negative to positive. Likewise, negative fractions become greater when you square them because they go from negative to positive. Only positive fractions get smaller when you square them. Therefore, statement 1 is sufficient to tell us, yes, y is in that range. We cross off B as well as the two insufficient statements because we just got one that was sufficient. Statement 2 tells us that y to the 5th power is positive. What this does is allows us to eliminate all negative numbers from the running, because remember, odd powers of negative numbers stay negative. So if it's positive on an odd power, y equals positive, but y cubed being positive is true of all positive numbers, not just positive fractions. So statement 2 is too broad. It doesn't allow us to eliminate integers, positive integers, and therefore is not sufficient. Statement 1 alone is the one.